My name is Adam Rork. I'm a postdoctoral researcher in Aaron Smith's lab at Purdue University. So most of my research is involved with the evolution of insect defensive glands, understanding how they evolve to produce the chemicals they do, withstand the chemicals they produce, and how they function in environmentally relevant contexts. I've been working with data produced by Arbor for the past 3 years. Mostly targeted enrichment data with the myBaits. My experience working with Arbor has been excellent. From project design to completion to data download, everything has been very streamlined. The communication with the team has been excellent. All of my questions, no matter how small, have been answered in a timely manner, in a thorough manner, and the quality of the data that has been produced has been really unparalleled. We did a number of trial runs on some of my data, some of my samples before we started the main experiment. Once the trials were completed, I was presented with an array of options, and we went with ones that I felt most comfortable with that would be the best fit for my data and my questions. But I felt very informed at every step of the process, much more so than other sequencing companies I've worked with in the past. Everything from the quality of my RNA to the quality of the library preparations to the quality of the sequencing itself, everything was explained to me, and I was kept up to date throughout the whole process. The experience of the folks on Arbor's team and the quality of the data that's been produced, even with very difficult and sometimes even degraded samples, has shown me over the course of the past few years that Arbor's quality and Arbor's commitment to producing high quality sequencing data is really unmatched in my experience. So Arbor would be the first choice of sequencing companies to work with for me, because I know that when I send my samples to Arbor, that they'll be treated with care and that the most will be extracted from my samples as possible in terms of DNA or RNA, whichever I'm working with, and that the data produced will be as high quality as possible.